Welcome, everyone, to this gorgeous setting for the wedding of Elizabeth Crowley and Thomas Warhach. On behalf of Ellie and Tom and their families, thank you for being here in Barcelona to celebrate. Every single one of you had to travel to be here, and the bride and groom are overwhelmed by your love and support. Ellie and Tom, take a minute and look out at this stunning setting filled with the people who love you most. This is your moment. Really feel it.
You've changed my life in ways that I could never have dreamed of. Some people love their night out with their friends, or their trip away from home, or their 4 hours on the golf course away from their partner. And I truly just never will understand it. Everything I do, I want to do with you. You are my happy place. You're my best friend. You're my travel partner. You're my +1 in the golf cart. I love your family. I love the family that you and I will have together. You, me, and our 7 children. I love our home because even though we've moved so many times, I've realized that I don't care where we are or where we go, because being home just means being with you.
I don't know if anyone else in the world wakes up like you and looks around and says, "What a wonderful life we have." You have made my life so wonderful. You are everything I could ever ask for, and I can't believe I found you. No matter what I accomplish in life, no matter how amazing everything turns out for us, the fact that you would stand up here and say, "I'm picking Ellie to marry because I love her so much," that is the best thing that will ever happen to me. And I will spend every day for the rest of my life being awestruck and grateful. And when we're old and gray and holding hands on a porch somewhere, and then we die together at the exact same second, I will find you in the next life and every life after that. Because now that you've decided to marry me, I will never let you go.
We came here after a long day, never stopping, always waiting to be diving in the blue heart of this place, where we share our fragile dreams, swapping laughs and stupid memes. Close your eyes and dance the night away. We're gonna set fire to the nights and bad vibes. Out of sight, take our lives back into the groove. We're gonna set fire to the nights and bad vibes. Out of sight, take our lives back into the groove. We're gonna set fire to the nights and bad vibes. Out of sight, take our lives back into the groove. We're gonna set fire to the nights and bad vibes. Out of sight, take our lives back into the groove.